Okay, this is a quick video. If your speedo stopped working on your Vauxhall Zafira B, these are the two main culprits. I have the 1.9 turbo diesel 120 bhp one. So what happened with mine, the speedo just stopped working. I was driving along and the ABS light kept coming on and off, fluctuating, and the needle started fluctuating on my speedo, and all of a sudden it just stopped. I've tried some online videos and they were saying bash the speedo, remove it, check it, test it, and it turns out it wasn't the speedo. It was the actual ABS sensors. Now this is the ABS hub. To remove it, you've got to remove, well, from the suspension leg, or you've got to remove the track rod end and then the lower ball joint. But you can actually just do with just removing the 32mm bolt from the center, and then you'll need a bearing puller to actually push the drive shaft to remove this. If you don't have one, there's a quick tip I can say. Basically all you do is line up the bolt holes from the wheel. So you take 3 bolts from the back of this hub. So just turn that round so you can actually see. So you've got 3 bolts. So once you remove the 3 bolts from the back, what you do is you just basically put it into the threaded part of where the wheel nuts sit. So put it, but make sure you don't jam it on one of the hubs, and then you'll end up damaging the bolt. Tighten the bolt through the hub, and then once you tighten it through the hub, it will actually start pushing the hub away, and then eventually it will separate the hub from the carrier. And once that is separated, you can actually clean the hub. I've tried to use some contact cleaner and some bearing, well, everything to try and separate it, and unfortunately it didn't work. So I bought some new bearings from eBay. I thought I got myself a bit of a bargain. From Vauxhall, they're about £350. So I found these ones on eBay, but unfortunately they're for the petrol and really small and didn't fit. Unfortunately, I'm still trying to get my refund back after 2 weeks. The seller doesn't want to be cooperative, so now I have to wait for eBay to step in. But anyway, so assuming you've cleaned these and it's still not working, there'll be one other thing, and that will be the ABS pump. Now if you've got the smaller ABS pump starting with a BK or HA just in the corner there, these are notorious for blowing. Once these blow, you'll notice if they're gone by pushing your foot on the brake pedal. If your foot actually slowly goes down, then you know this ABS pump is faulty. If it doesn't, then the ABS pump may be good. Sometimes you put it on a computer, no matter what computer you put it on, it won't tell you that this ABS pump is faulty. It will tell you that the hubs are faulty. Unfortunately, the only way is to plug and play. It's reasonably easier to change the ABS pump than the wheel bearings, because it's a lot of work to try and get these off. The ABS pump, you've got a few pipes for the brakes, but you don't have to actually disconnect everything. Just disconnect the main loom there, plug a new pump in, and if the light does turn off, then you know straight away it's the pump. Unfortunately, this ABS pump feeds the signal into the hub. So if this is faulty, it'll tell you that's faulty. If that's faulty, it'll tell you that's faulty. But unfortunately, unless you've got a really good diagnostic computer, you won't know. But if you've got a small ABS pump like this one, it's 99% it's going to be this pump. I was told this by Mark at the this scrapyard, and he turned out to be 100% correct. So if you need any Vauxhall parts and you're in East London, I can't recommend this guy enough. Anyway, I hope this fixes your problem, as I couldn't find any videos for any help on a Vauxhall Zafira. Okay, thank you, bye.